Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO-friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you need any help regarding blog post formatting and uploading, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can use H2, H3, H4, I mean heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, even heading 5 tags for perfect blog post formatting, which will give you a proper headline outlines for your blog post. Okay, start. This is the article. I want to format this article headline outline properly in front of you. Then you can easily understand how you should do this same formatting task for your blog site. Let's start. I am going to copy full article, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, and I am going to my website post section and clicking on add new post, pasting this article here. So full article pasted. So this is the headline. I have to paste this headline on add title section. So number one thing is H1 tag always will be the title of your article, and you can use H1 only in the title. Inside the article you cannot use H1. I am coming next headline. So number one headline is health benefit of orange. So another thumbs up rules is your first headline should be H2. You cannot make it H3, H4, then it will give you wrong headline outline. So this is H2. I am selecting this headline and above clicking on paragraph. After that I am getting heading option. So clicked there, it's H2. I am making it bold. Okay. So come to the next headline. Health benefit of orange. This is the main headline. After that I found the nutritional power of orange. So obviously this headline will go under this headline. So I am making it H3. So heading H3. After that, the nutritional power of orange. After this headline, high vitamin C content. So it is the something about nutrition. So it will be H4. And if I come to the following headline, fiber for digestive health, that means it's saying something under nutritional power. So obviously it also will be H4. So I am making it H4. Now types of orange, you see, completely different topic. Previously we was discussing about health benefit. After that, nutritional power, which one is under health benefit. After that, vitamin C. After that, fiber for digestive. Both was under nutritional power. Now types of orange. So it must be H2 as it's not related above headline. Then make it H2. Fine. So types of orange. After that, sweet orange. So it's the one type from the types of orange. So sweet orange should be the H3. So if I come to the next headline under sweet orange, the name is navel orange. So this is the sweet orange. So as above paragraph headline is sweet orange, so it's going under that headline. So I am making it H4. As previous headline is H3, This was H3, so it should be H4. And Valencia orange, that also another types of sweet orange. So this one also will go under sweet orange, so it also be H4. After that, bitter orange, so it's the another types of orange. So sweet orange, which category headline? Bitter orange would be the same category headline, and this is the types. So as types of orange was H2, sweet orange was H3, then bitter orange also be H3. It will go under types of orange. Perfect. So under bitter orange, Seville orange, it would be H4. Now another headline, orange nutrition facts. Is it something related to types of orange? Obviously not. So it's a different topic, different headline. So obviously it will go heading 2. After that, calories and macronutrients, it's under nutrition facts. So it will be H3. Following headline is calories. So as above headline is calorie and macronutrients. So if as this is only calorie, that means it will go under that headline. So calorie will be H4, as previous headline was H3. That was H3, heading 3. So it will be H4. After that, macronutrients, it will be same H4 as it's under the same headline. So H4. After that, vitamin and minerals. Come to the point. Like previous, our mother headline was orange nutrition facts. So under this headline, first topic was calorie and macronutrients. After that, vitamin and minerals. So it will be the H3, as it will be the similar as calorie and macronutrients. Perfect. Then vitamin C. So it's obviously will go under vitamin and minerals. So as vitamin and minerals was H3, heading 3, then vitamin C will be heading 4. Just when you will work, you have to think this topic is going under above headline or different something or mother headline. Just 3 things you should try to understand. As for this topic, right now which topic I am working, orange nutrition facts, as this one is heading to H2, this is the mother topic. After that, calorie and macronutrients is the sister topic. So when you will work, firstly you will think, is it something related under mother topic or is it something related under sister topic? So if you think, you will get your answer. Perfect. So vitamin C, potassium, obviously it will go under vitamins and minerals. So it will be H4. Now another headline, how to incorporate orange into your diet. So is it something related above section? Above section was orange nutrition facts, but it's not related that. This is the completely different topic. So it will be heading 2. Now fresh orange slices. So it's going under this headline. So it will be H3. I think you already understand how you should make this headline outline. I tried to use a basic article as you can understand easily how you should work for your blog post. Okay, let's continue. So adding to salads. So fresh orange slices, under this adding to salad. Obviously it will go under fresh orange slices. So it will be H4. Even if you sometimes if you read under the paragraph of this headline, you will understand. You see, this headline is fresh orange slices. Perfect. And after that, adding to salad. You are confused. This headline will be H4 or H3. Now you should read under this headline paragraph, sliced orange make an excellent addition to salad. That means it's something related to the slices. So this headline will go under these fresh orange slices. Juicing and smoothies. It will be same as like fresh orange slices. So it will be H3. After that, orange juice. So as above headline is juicing and smoothies, so juice will be go under that headline. So as that headline is H3, so it will be H4. Smoothies, same way, it will be H4 as mother headline or sister headline is juices and smoothies. Fun fact about oranges. So it's completely different part, different types of topic. So it will be H2. After completing this headline, I will show how you can check all of this headline a single click and you will understand your headline was right or wrong. So I will show it after completing this. Keep watching. So fun fact about orange, origin of oranges. So it will be H3 under that fun fact. Spread to Europe as it is related to origin. So it will be H4. Orange trees and growths. So it's under fun fact. So it will be H3. And pollination, it will be under tree and growth. So heading H4. Now FAQs, it's a complete different section. So it will be H2. And there is a question, sometimes few of blogger make this FAQ question H3. Even if you wish, you can make it paragraph and bold also. That will be also perfect. So I am making it H3 and heading bold H3 bold H3 bold H3 bold H3 bold. Now come to conclusion. It's a different part, so it must be H2. Save draft. Full outline is complete. Now check the view preview, then you can understand. Okay, this is the view preview. From here you can't understand easily your headline outline is right or wrong. The way you to check from the back end, after completing it, top left corner you will get a icon something like this icon or round type something notification icon. Okay, so click there and right side you will get outline option. So click on outline. Now you see how your headline outline we made. Firstly, H2, H3, H4, everything is showing perfect. Okay, so I told we can't use first headline H3, H4 or anything. We must need to use first headline H2. So if I make it H3, let's see what any signal give here. I am making it H3. You see, they are writing incorrect heading label and giving yellow warning. So this is the way you can understand, have you missed any heading flow, headline outline flow or not. So if you missed, then you can make correction. For example, like navel orange, I am going to mark it as a H5. So come to the navel orange and I am marking it as H5 because previous headline was H3. So if I want to give something new, then it should be H4. It shouldn't be H5. H5 we can't make after H3. If we classify it under that headline, so it should be H4. Okay. So that's the fact. So this is the way you can understand your heading outline is correct or incorrect, and use your thinking and think about the headline. Then you will easily understand this is it for H2 or H3 or H4, what was the topic of that section, and who is the mother headline, who is the sister headline, and who will go under mother headline and who will go under sister headline. So if you think for a little bit time, you can easily understand it. So it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about blog post formatting, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.